As I am planning for a 5-day exhibition in October, I needed some good paper, some brushes and some colors, especially grays. So I DM'd Aquatone on Instagram and asked for their gray set and some bigger brushes that holds a lot of water. Prime objective to get this gray set is to save myself some time. I don't want to waste my time mixing grays with blues, greens, reds, yellows and whatnot. I want to focus on the feeling part of the painting, not the struggles come along with it. So I needed a brand that I can trust. A brand who can promise me the paints won't fade out and last a lifetime. Fortunately, the entire collection of Aquatone is rated 5-star. Now he must be thinking he's promoting the brand. He's been paid to say that. Trust me guys, I bought these paints with my own hard-earned money. But then they sent me 3 complimentary colors like cobalt green hue, cobalt blue hue and foliage green. Totally free of cost. I'm doing this video just to show my love for the brand. After all, it's an Indian brand who's absolutely killing it with their gray set right now. As you can see, I'm having a lot of fun with the swatch. Some have granulation, some don't. The pigmentation is top of the line. These tubes are loaded with highly pigmented paints. Obviously, there are some opaque paints like the Naples Yellow Red, Naples Yellow, Buff Titanium, Green Grey, but the rest of them all are semi-transparent or transparent. These have beautiful dispersion and they really mix well with each other. I'm just too excited to paint with them. So along with the complimentary colors, Aquatone sent me a coupon code Niaz10 with which you can get a 10% discount on every single purchase on their website aquatoneartistmaterials.com. By the way, the complimentary colors are just beautiful, especially the foliage green. And amongst the grays, I'm loving shadow gray. It's transparent and has a blue sediment that looks magical. I'll show you that in a bit. Now what happens when we compare these paints with the OG gangster of watercolor, Daniel Smith? I'm comparing Daniel Smith's Z's warm gray with Aquatone's cool gray and shadow gray. This is DSG's warm gray, which is considered semi-transparent. This is Aquatone's shadow gray, semi-transparent as well. Aquatone cool gray, which is marked opaque. Now can you tell the difference? I don't think so. Okay, time to talk about the brushes. Quick tip, don't force bend the bristles. It destroys the brush then and there. Wash it before you use it. Alright, first impression. It feels very natural, feels great in hand. The bristles feels wicked soft and has a snap to it because these are made up of synthetic filaments that imitates natural pony hair. They say these brushes are very thirsty and I can really see that on paper. Watch this. Also great for dry brushing. The previous brush was 1 inch flat. This one is around 12. Let's see how much water it can actually hold. Well, that was quite a bit. While the skies and the washes will be taken care with the 1 inch brush, the bigger shapes and few detailings will be done with around 12. Alright folks, time for some action. Grab your cup of hot chocolate, sit back, relax and enjoy the show.
đi ra này.